my god, let's go! I feel like a Pokemon that just evolved. It is 2 a.m. and I'm standing next to a very rare bike. I can't find almost any information about it online. It's a 2022 KTM EXC Freeride, but street legal. And that doesn't exist on the official KTM website at all. It doesn't exist, but it exists right here in front of me. So it's street legal. I'm gonna street ride it. I got a license plate for the bike through Dirt Legal. They claim to be able to plate almost any bike, including Sur Ronsters, which I won't believe until I see it myself. So that might be an upcoming video trying to plate the Sur Ronster, but I got a plate through Dirt Legal for the KTM, and if you want to check them out, there's gonna be links below. This bike is massive. It's twice the weight of a Sur Ronster. It's running 18 kilowatts. My 72 volt Sur Ronster runs 14 kilowatts in its highest power mode. It could run 18 kilowatts like this bike does, but right now it doesn't. So this is running more kilowatts than my 72 volt Sur Ronster. And it's a total dirt bike build. Everything, wheels, brakes, suspension, frame. This is a dirt bike. This is nowhere near e-bike category or gray area category like the Sur Ronster. This is a dirt bike. This is an e-moto. It's got the street legal headlight, tail light, turn signals, and the dual sport tires. This bike's got everything. It's beautiful. It's about an $11,000 bike before taxes and fees. I've never ridden it before. I'm so excited to be done talking about it so that I can ride it. Alright, I gotta say, it's nice filming at night. It's not hot. Alright, I gotta say, it's nice filming at night. It's not hot. There's nobody outside. This is my first and probably last time riding this bike. What better time than 2 a.m. on a summer night? Let's go ahead and put the key in. Do you hear that? That's crazy. It makes a noise. I'm trying to see how you put it into mode 3. I haven't even seen a manual for this. This is my first time turning it on. I gotta look it up. Okay, page 121 explains it. It's pretty complicated. There's a button that I didn't see. I'm being sarcastic, it's not complicated. I'm gonna start off in mode 1 anyway because look how big this thing is. I don't know how I look on it. I feel tiny. This feels like a boat. More than a boat, a tall boat compared to the Sur Ronster. How do I look on it? Alright. I'm gonna waddle back. Here goes nothing. What's up, Ivan? Check this thing out, bro.
It's a beauty.
It's massive compared to what you usually see me riding, huh?
Damn, bro, it's a beautiful bike.
I'm stoked on it. Thanks. It's not mine. I got my hands on it for a couple days, so I'm making a video. And KTM all electric, full size race bike. It's crazy. And it's just been too hot. I was afraid it would overheat. So it's what, 2:45 a.m. and I'm out.
That's good, but yeah, you know, I was gonna ask you, how's the batteries, especially in this heat?
They don't like it. They can survive for a certain amount of time, but like in terms of their long-term health, it's better to just take the day off. So I've been kind of just hiding inside. Even now I'm sweating. I haven't even left yet. It's still hot even at 2 a.m.
Like one of my friends, he's a CHP, and he said that a lot of times that they stop bikers is because they know they're new riders because of the way they ride the bike.
Interesting.
People that are experienced are like, oh, they've been having their license forever, so they don't even bother.
Well, we'll see what I come off as because I don't really ride these kinds of bikes. I feel so small on it. I feel like it's a boat.
What size is that?
So it goes by kilowatts. So this is 18 kilowatts. My bikes are maxed out at 14. So it's a little bit stronger, but it's also a lot bigger. So I don't know really what to expect, but it's like a race bike. It's meant for motocross, like track racing. So
It'll be like a 250 motor.
That's what I'm expecting.
And I'm gonna record you when you come up.
Yeah, dude, that'd be sick. All right, Ivan, you take it easy, bro. I'll see you in a little bit.
Of course, bro. I'm gonna see you.
Oh wait, I gotta turn it back on. All right, see you, bro. It's Such a smooth ride. A little bit of regen when you roll off the throttle. So this is pinning it in mode 1. It says I'm going 56 kilometers an hour. I've got to switch out of the GTA driving mindset and into the street legal driving mindset. But look, 2 a.m., not a soul in sight. Let's see if anyone's on the highway. There's always people on the highway. Makes you wonder what they're doing up at 2 a.m. on a Monday. Okay, now we're in 2. Got the whole road to myself except for that one guy. Wow. Serious spaceship vibes. Real, whoa, it feels like a spaceship. Okay, good power on 2, good power on 2. Let's do a pull in 3 real quick. My heart is racing so fast right now, I have so much adrenaline. Here we go. Okay, a lot of power, but the top speed is like 80 kilometers an hour. It's decent. Not fast though. I feel like a boss right now. I feel like a big dog. Oh, you trying to race? What was that? Wow. Pretty sick. I've got a huge smile on my face right now. See how these brakes feel for a wheelie. Okay, they can lock the rear. I feel like I'm literally flying a spaceship. Maybe like one of those things from Star Wars. I have no idea what they're called, but I'll put a picture. Feels just like a really big Sauron. Corners super nicely with the street wheels. I don't know how I would feel about this on the 30s. This Arco has the best lighting in the world. Damn, I can't just lean this up against the door. Gotta actually park it. Signal. I never thought I'd be street riding a KTM EXC Freeride. Hey there. Thanks. I'm foisty. I usually go for the red Gatorade. I stay in that Sur Ronster mindset. That's those Sour Patch Kids. You know the vibes. Thank you. I hate leaving the bike alone. Even a big one like this. God damn, look how sexy that is. Fuck. It's got no business being at the gas station though. That's the funny part. Let me get in some good lighting. Oh my god, are they playing the bike videos? Let's go. Look at this. At 2 a.m. they play bike videos at the Arco on the little screen. I got no business being at the gas station.
Hey, where's the freaking gabagoo?
Kind of awkward when you're at a light. I'm on my tippy toes. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with my feet. Whoa, what's going on over there? They're setting something cool up over here. What in the world? It's funny when you're out this late, no matter what I'm doing, I feel like I'm being sketchy. It's like when you walk into a store and you actually don't end up wanting anything and you walk out. It feels like you stole something even though you know you didn't. That's how I feel right now. Oh, fuck a Arco. This is way better. Hold up. Zam. Look at this thing. For me, the selling point is the ass. Okay, let's get out of here before they know I'm electric. Not bad, not bad. Here goes nothing, knee knock. Oh, let's go. I'm up. I'm up. Oh, I gotta do that again. Oh my God, I'm just up. I'm holding it. No way. At this point, let me see about the sit downs. I'm up. Can't even see, this thing's so big. Wow, wow. Make a U-E. Oh, but there's a little red light there. That means I can't make a U-turn, and I have a widow license plate, so they'll catch me. Here we go. Get out of here. All right, this is the last wheelie. Oh my God. Oh my God, let's go! Ah! I feel like a Pokemon that just evolved. Ah! Okay, one more. That's too fun. That's too fun. Oh my God. Somebody get me on a big bike. Whoa. By that I mean I need to get myself a big bike. I'm getting a little addicted to this already. The Sur Ronster will always be #1. It's just the best power to weight ratio. It's got more power than this, and it's lighter. But I'm liking the big bike vibes and having a plate, not being worried about that. I'm selling it for my buddy. At this point, I'm wondering if I should just buy it for myself. But I mean, 11 grand is like, it's like a car. It's like a nice car. I'm gonna get some third-person shots of it with the phone. Na. Oh my God. Oh my God. I wish you could feel this. Wow. All right, I'm in love with this bike. Listen to it. It sounds good. It's a good size. Suspension, street legal. It could be a little faster. It's got good power, but it could be a little faster. As always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.